Good morning, children. So we were discussing about the producer's equilibrium, and yesterday I was explaining you two methods regarding the producer's equilibrium. ठीक है. So again I want to recall you what is producer's equilibrium. Producer's equilibrium is a point where producer getting the maximum profit. Okay. He is not going to change the output. It means वो below भी उससे कम भी नहीं करेगा and ज़्यादा भी नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. That is the point of producer's equilibrium. So how could we find the producer's equilibrium? कि that is the point of producer equilibrium. So there in economics there are two methods to find out the producer's equilibrium. One is TRTC method, that is total revenue and total cost method, and another one is MRMC method, that is marginal revenue and marginal cost method. Okay, so first of all I am going to explain you TRTC method. Now what is TRTC method? TRTC method means कि where the gap between total revenue and total cost is maximum, that is the point of producer's equilibrium. Because the gap between TR and TC is known as a profit, है ना. जो total revenue होता है और total cost उसके बीच का जो gap होता है that is a profit. Suppose that you are producing one book. ओके आपने एक बुक पब्लिश की. ठीक है. एंड बाय सेलिंग दिस बुक यू आर अर्निंग 300 रुपीज. ओके बट देयर आर सम कॉस्ट ऑल्सो. उसमें कुछ कॉस्ट भी लगी होगी. सपोज दैट 100 रुपीज कॉस्ट इज देयर. सो हाउ मच प्रॉफिट यू हैविंग? 200. It means revenue and cost difference is known as a profit. So where this profit will be maximum, that is the point of producer's equilibrium. वो producer का equilibrium point होगा. So here I am going to explain you this thing through the diagram. So on OY axis we are measuring TRTC, total revenue and total cost, and on OX axis we are measuring output. Okay, this is total revenue curve that I have explained you revenue chapter, how we are going to be draw it, and this is total cost chapter. This I have also explained you in you cost chapter. ठीक है. So what I told you the condition about the producer equilibrium, where this gap TRTC gap will be maximum, that is a point of producer equilibrium. So there are three situations I have taken. First of all, suppose that if producer is going to be produce OQ quantity. ठीक है. अगर OQ quantity produce कर रहा है at that time his revenue is QR. ठीक है. Q से R तक इसका revenue है. And what is the cost? That is a QP. It means the difference between TR and TC is RP. RP line should be maximum, है ना. ये gap maximum होना चाहिए. If नाउ प्रोड्यूसर वांट टू बी, प्रोड्यूसर सोचता है कि मैं इससे कम प्रोडक्शन करके ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट अर्न करूं. सो वी कैन सी दिस कंडीशन ऑल्सो. इफ प्रोड्यूसर इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस OQ1 क्वांटिटी. सी ठीक है. सो इन OQ1 क्वांटिटी कॉस्ट इज P1 Q1 P1 एंड रेवेन्यू इज R1 Q1. ठीक है. द गैप इज R in P1. This is a profit gap and this is a very less as compared to this gap. आप देख सकते हो this gap is very much high and this gap is less. So that is why producer is not going to be reduce his output. ठीक है. If producer is going to be increase his output, अगर वो इससे ज़्यादा बढ़ाना चाहेगा तो if he is going to be produce OQ2 quantity, then his revenue is OR2. ठीक है. एंड हिज कॉस्ट इज OP P2 Q2. इट मीन्स डिफरेंस इज R2 and P2. It is also lesser than this. So this is the point of producer equilibrium where producer is getting the maximum profit. And I told you about the producer equilibrium condition. That is a condition where producer is not going to be move forward एंड बैकवर्ड ऑल्सो. ठीक है. अगर फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड जाता है तो हिज प्रॉफिट विल बी लेस. तो दिस इज अ कंडीशन ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम. होप सो चिल्ड्रन you all got this my point. If any problem is there, if any point is left there, you can ask me again. Okay. Now second method, that is a MRMC method, that is known as a marginal cost and marginal revenue method. नाउ इन दिस मैथड हाउ वी आर गेटिंग द प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम, हम प्रोड्यूसर का इक्विलिब्रियम कैसे मेजरमेंट करेंगे. सो हेयर फॉर दिस कैलकुलेटिंग द प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम वी मस्ट बी फॉलो द टू कंडीशंस, है ना, हमें दो कंडीशंस को फॉलो करना है. वन कंडीशन इज वेयर द MR शुड बी इक्वल टू MC. मतलब क्या हो रहा है इसका कि मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू क्या होनी चाहिए, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट के इक्वल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तब ये कंडीशन पूरी होगी प्रोड्यूसर इक्विलिब्रियम की. और सेकंड कंडीशन इज दिस कि MC कट्स MR फ्रॉम द बिलो, यानी जब MC MR को जहां पे कट करे वो उसकी बिलो से कट करे. नाउ दिस कंडीशंस आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू थ्रू द डायग्राम ऑल्सो. ठीक है, ऑन OY एक्सिस we are measuring MR MC and OX axis we are measuring output. Clear this thing? Now I told you what is the shape of AR and MR when the price are constant. It is parallel to OX axis. ठीक है, ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि जब प्राइस कांस्टेंट होते हैं in that condition the shape of AR MR is on parallel to OX axis. So it is like this. Clear? And I have explained to you in cost chapter that marginal cost is in U shape. आप एक बार पेज टर्न करके देखो तो कॉस्ट वाले चैप्टर में आपको दिखेगा. I have explained there कि marginal cost curve shape is U shape. Now first of all we have to see the first condition. The first condition is where the MR should be equal to MC. So you can see in this diagram there are 2 points here and E1 and E. There are 2 points where MR is equal to MC. देखो ये भी ये this is MC and this is MR. तो एक ये point मिल गया, यहाँ पे ये दोनों equal है and here also both are equal. But we must be follow the second condition also. ठीक है, second condition क्या बोला है, MC cuts MR from the below. It means जहाँ से MC कट करे वो पॉइंट कहाँ से होना चाहिए, बिलो से होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे देखिए MC जो MR को कट कर रहा है वो अबव से है, ये देखिए ऊपर से आ रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस विल नॉट द पॉइंट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर इक्विलिब्रियम. फिर जैसे जैसे वो आगे जा रहा है तो ये देखिए दिस इज द MR और वो नीचे से कट करता हुआ ऊपर की ओर जा रहा है. सो दैट इज वाई वी कैन से E इज अ प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट. ठीक है, सो हेयर प्रोड्यूसर विल प्रोड्यूस OQ क्वांटिटी एंड ही विल सेल बाय द OP प्राइस, है ना, वो OP प्राइस पे OQ क्वांटिटी को सेल करके इक्विलिब्रियम की कंडीशन में होगा. इट मींस मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट की कंडीशन में होगा. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ सेकेंड कंडीशन ऑफ MR AR MR. I told you 2 types of curve of AR MR. When the price is constant, at that condition AR MR is parallel to OX axis. ठीक है, but I given you second one condition also कि when the price are not constant, है ना. तो in that case I told you AR and MR is downward shape and MR is below to AR. So this is the shape of AR MR when price is not constant. Okay. Now in this diagram again we have to follow these two conditions. So first condition is where the MR should be equal to MC. So here you can see also this is the point where MR is equal to MC and this is also the point where MR is equal to MC. But second condition must be followed for this. First of all MC cuts MR from the below. So this is MR curve and MC. Here MR is cutting MC to the above point. So we can't say this is a point of equilibrium. In this E case you can see that MC cuts MR from the below. So this is a point of equilibrium point. Whenever we are adding to this equilibrium point with OX axis and AR axis, we are getting the price and quantity. Now producer will produce OQ quantity at the price of OP and this is a point of equilibrium. It means producers को OQ quantity को produce करना चाहिए and OP price पे sell करना चाहिए. This is the point of producers equilibrium. Okay बेटा, hope so it is clear to all of you.